30th November 2022, the day AI shook the world. On this day, OpenAI unleashed a game-changer that would rewrite the rules of technology, ChatGPT. When it first launched, people couldn't wrap their heads around the idea of an AI so advanced that it could answer virtually anything in seconds. Was it really possible? Could AI truly be this capable? Skepticism turned into belief as time passed, and soon it became clear ChatGPT was no ordinary tool. Fast forward to today, and we're staring at some jaw-dropping predictions. Experts believe that by 2030, AI could replace over 800 million jobs. Yes, you read that right.
Oh my God, bro. Oh, hell no.
Roles like graphic designers, programmers, data entry specialists, and many more could be on the chopping block. But that's not all. The rise of AI has sparked a new wave of innovation and disruption. New tools are flooding the market, tools that aren't just assisting people but outright replacing them. Here's an example. Take a look at this YouTube channel that amassed 20,000 subscribers with just 23 AI-generated movie trailers. Incredible, right? And they're not alone. Countless channels are jumping on this trend, churning out high-quality videos with minimal effort. Now, you might be wondering, are these creators using some fancy editing software? Nope. Let me tell you, there's no software involved. These mind-blowing videos are crafted entirely with an AI tool. And here's the kicker. I'm about to show you exactly how it's done. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to generate a high-quality trailer step by step. So buckle up and don't even think about skipping a second of this. Let's dive right in. The tool I'm talking about is called Hailuo AI, and it's a game changer. When you open this tool, you're greeted by an intuitive interface. Right on the Explore page, you'll find a collection of pre-made videos that will leave you stunned. The quality? It's jaw-dropping. These videos look like they belong on a Hollywood big screen. According to its promises, Hailuo AI delivers exactly what it claims: cinematic, high-quality videos. You can even dive into the details of each video, and honestly, it's hard to believe that these weren't crafted by a professional studio. But let's be real, there's always the possibility that some of these might be staged or fake uploads. So instead of just taking their word for it, we're going to put Hailuo AI to the test ourselves. Let's see if it can actually deliver what it promises. Buckle up, because this is going to get interesting. Let's dive into creating videos using Hailuo AI. First, click on the Create button, and for the prompts, let's get creative by generating different themes using ChatGPT. This way, we can really push the tool's limits and test its full potential. Once the prompts are ready, paste them into the input box and click Generate. Here's the catch. Generating a single video costs 30 credits, but you can create up to 5 videos at a time. So, I'll paste all the prompts one by one and start the process. It may take a little while for the videos to generate, but trust me, it's worth the wait. Now, let's check out the results. Look at this incredible video. Sure, there are some minor mistakes here and there, but the overall quality, it's nothing short of a movie scene. Let's move on to the next one. Wow, this one's even better than the last. You can pause and read the prompts. They match the output almost perfectly. The accuracy of this AI is simply mind-blowing. Think about it. AI is just 2 years old and it's already creating results like this. Imagine what it'll be capable of 10 years from now. Seriously, this technology is on another level. That said, here's an important observation. The bigger and more detailed the prompt, the higher the chances the AI might misunderstand parts of it. But honestly, that's a small price to pay for this level of creativity and automation. Next up, I'll show you how to make a movie. For that, we'll need consistent characters, which means we can't rely only on text-to-video tools. First, we'll have to generate the characters' images. Here's the prompt I'll use to get started. You'll find these prompts in my Discord server, so consider them a reference point. Feel free to change them and make them your own. For instance, I'm using this particular prompt to create an action-packed futuristic movie, but you could easily switch it up to make a romantic drama, or even a sci-fi adventure. Let's start by generating images in Leonardo AI. Copy the prompt and paste it into Leonardo AI, and select the Flux model for image generation. Generate all the images one by one and download those that seem right. It's a good idea to download 2 images per prompt, as this gives you options for later stages. Organize all the downloaded images into a single folder and give them a name so you can easily find that on time. Next, add narration to your video to make it more engaging and to avoid monetization issues. Use 11labs.io for this purpose. Paste the narration parts one by one into the 11 Labs and select a high-quality, suitable voice for your project. Once the narration is ready, generate the entire voiceover in one go and download the audio files. Once you have the images and narration ready, move on to Hailuo AI to convert your images into videos. Copy the visual prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Hailuo AI, and upload the related image from your folder. Generate the video for each image. If you have 2 images, it's better to make 2 videos. In this way, you will get 2 options and you can choose the best one for your video. After generating the videos, review them carefully and download it to your computer. Once you have all the footage ready, import everything into CapCut by dragging and dropping all the assets into the editor. Start by arranging all the scenes in the proper sequence. If your voiceovers were generated in one go, split and separate them to match each clip. Adjust the audio to align with the visuals, and increase the volume slightly to ensure clarity. If the video feels too slow-paced, remember that trailers are typically fast and dynamic to keep them engaging. Increase the speed of your clips slightly and adjust the voiceovers accordingly. For background music, there's no need to look elsewhere. CapCut offers excellent options specifically for trailers. Pick one that matches the tone of your video and adjust its volume so the voiceover remains clear and prominent. Next, remove any unnecessary parts and, if needed, add extra sound effects like car racing or rocket launches to enhance the cinematic feel. Simply search for the sound effects you want, apply them, and adjust their volume for balance. Once the major edits are done, focus on captions. If you're unfamiliar with the process, CapCut has an auto caption feature that can generate captions for you. Apply it, adjust the placement and style, and ensure they sync with the audio. With that, your editing work is almost complete. Finally, export the video and share your masterpiece. If you'd like a follow-up tutorial or more details, comment below, and I'll be back with a part 2. Don't forget to rate the trailer in the comments. Tell me what you think.
In a world where humanity's survival hangs by a thread, one rogue agent carries the weight of a fractured civilization. The key to humanity's future lies behind impenetrable walls, and in the shadows, a force that seeks to end it all. When the stakes are this high, there's no room for mistakes. Every second counts. When the surface is no longer safe. The greatest battles are fought not with weapons, but with choices. The future is forged in fire. But the cost may be everything. The end is just the beginning.